Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? So let's see a solution from here. So we're given from the questions 3 raised to power a multiplied by 3 raised to power a multiplied by 3 raised to power a equals 36. And here we have the same base, and this follows 3 raised to power. We take one base, we add the power together as a plus a equals 36. And with this, we have 3 raised to power a plus a plus a is 3a. This equals 36. And in the next step, we are going to introduce logarithm to both sides. So by introducing log, we have this as log 3 raised to power 3a equals log 36. And with what we have here, let's say we apply the law of logarithm. We take this 3a, we take it down. And here we have 3a multiplied by log 3 equals log 36. And by dividing both sides by log 3 here, so we divide both sides by log 3, and also this is divided by log 3. Then we have log 3 cancelled log 3. So from here we have 3a equals log 36 divided by log 3. So if this is what we have, then we have to break down 36 into the product of, suppose we have this as 3a equals log, so 36, it can be written as 3 multiplied by 12, that is 36, divided by log 3. And by product of log, we are going to separate this as 3a equals log 3 plus log 12 divided by log 3. And by what we have to divide this separate as 3a equals log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 12 divided by log 3. And when log 3 cancelled log 3, we have it as 1. So therefore, we have 3a equals 1 plus log 12 divided by log 3. And next we have, so by this, we have 3a equals 1 plus log, so this 12 we can write it as 3 multiplied by 4 divided by log 3. And by rule of logarithm, we have this as 3a equals 1 plus log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3. And when we separate this, so this becomes 3a equals 1 plus log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3. And then we have 3a equals 1 plus log 3 cancel log 3, we have 1 plus, and here is log 4 divided by log 3. And again, by what we have here, so this is the same thing as 3a equals 1 plus 1, we have 2 plus, and here is log, so This is 2. We can write it as 2 squared divided by log 3. And we apply the rule of log and transfer 2 here. By transferring 2 down, we have this as 3a equals 2 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 3. And in the next step, suppose we have log 2 divided by log 3, we can also write it in this form as 3a equals 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3. So this is another form of this. Then let's try to divide both sides by 3. So by dividing both sides by 3 from here, we have 3 cancel 3. So when 3 cancel 3, we are going to have a equals 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all divided by 3. And by this, we can conclude that the final answer here is, when we take out 2 from here, we have 2 divided by 3 into bracket of, so when we divide this one by 2, we have 1 plus, and also this is log 2 base 3. And this gives the final answer to this. And let's try to have a check if this is equal in the given question. So from these questions, I want to verify. So I've already compressed it as 3 to the power of 3a equals 36. So by replacing a with these values, we have 3 raised to power 3 into bracket of 2 over 3 bracket 1 plus log 2 base 3. And we want to check if this equals 36. So here we have 3 cancel 3. So here we have 3 raised to power 2 into bracket of 1 plus log 2 base 3. And our focus is to check if this equals 36. So suppose we open the parentheses here, we have this as 3 raised to power 2 times 1, we have 2 plus, and here is 2 log 2 base 3. So we want to check if this equals 36. And from here we have 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3. So is this equals 36? Then from here, 3 raised to power 2, that is 9, multiplied by 3 raised to power. Let's take these 2 back. So we have this as log 2 raised to power 2 base 3. Is this equals 36? Then from here, we have this as 9 multiplied by, so if you have the same base as log with this, so we are going to take only 2 power 2, which this is equals 36, because 9 multiplied by 2 power 2, that is 4, and 9 times 4 equals 36. So here is the result. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.